Can we see private account photos on Instagram? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see if we can see private account photos on Instagram or not. So to find out that, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of this interface. Now in the search bar, search for that private account that you want to view the photos from. For example, I have this account right here. As you can see, this account is private. Now, the answer to your question is no. You cannot see private Instagram account photos unless the account owner accepts your follow request. So unfortunately, you are not given the permission to view their photos or view the private account photos because Instagram protects user privacy, and bypassing these restrictions violates their policies and ethical guidelines. However, what you can do is you can send a follow request. If the user accepted your follow request, you can view their post and all of their pictures. Or check for other platforms. Some users share their Instagram photos on Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, so you can check on those platforms as well. Or if someone you know follows this account or the private account, you can ask a mutual friend so that they share some of the posts with you. So that's the only way to see private account photos on Instagram, or you cannot directly view their photos in Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.